Hello, what's up? Happy Monday, everybody. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. I want to talk to the business owners, right? Because a lot of us business owners, we just go about our business every day. And we forget that we have to constantly be educating ourselves on what's going on in our business, what's going on in our industry, the tips, the trends, what are the top industry people doing, what's really going on, so that you can stay up to date with what's going on in your industry. And the other thing is, because I run a social media agency, my thing is marketing, right? So it's all about, how do you engage with your customer? Because when you think about it, like when you're on your personal timeline, when you just see a bunch of noise, like, oh, this is my product, buy it, buy my product, this is my product, buy it, when that's all you see from the same person every single day, sometimes you unfollow them, or you're like, if it's an email that you get from them every single day and it's just annoying, you unsubscribe, or whatever, you're like, this is just noise, I don't want to hear it, it's clogging up my inbox, it's clogging up my timeline. So my question to you is, are you creating noise as the business owner, or are you creating value? Because when we create value for our customers, they want to see stuff. Like, if you think about your personal page, if you're constantly on your personal page, just ranting and raving and, not really saying too much, people are going to want to unfollow you. Sometimes you might even want to unfollow you, right? But when you're on there and you're positive and you post, stuff that people, kind of pay attention to, people tend to like your post. People tend to pay attention to it, right? Same thing with business. When you give people value, so, for me, social media, I tell people about the tips, about the trends, about what's going on, about, things that they need to know about chatbots, and about, messenger marketing, and about the statistics as far as email marketing. And you know what I mean? You give them information so that they can do something with it, so that they want to know the information you have, right? And not just, oh, every day she's just telling me to, get her social media services. And it's like, no, I don't want to do that. And when I work with my different clients in the different industries, I have some clients that are in skincare. I have some clients that are in like paparazzi. I tell them that, you need to engage with your client. You need to engage with your audience and let them know, like, have fun. Tell them who you are. Tell them your story. Like, interact with your customers. Don't just say, look at, this is the new jewelry I just got, why don't you buy it? Inbox me to buy it. Or, you know what I mean? Like at the little jewelry parties that they have, the live parties, how are you making it fun? Are you doing giveaways? Are you doing shout outs? Do you have like repeat customers that that you talk to? Are you telling them about your day? Like, what are you doing to create a relationship and create value? Are you telling them, about new pieces that they have coming out, new styles that are currently trending? Are you, talking about prom and, the prom colors and its wedding season, and, the different pieces that could potentially be in a wedding and stuff like that? Like, how are you adding value for your customer, and not just, saying, look at me, watch what I'm doing. So that was pretty much all I wanted to talk about today. I do want to let you guys know, and that's what I was looking for. I'm sorry. I've had a lot going on this morning, and it's only 1:00, so I got a lot more to do. But anyway, I wanted to tell you all about my webinar that I'm doing. So if you've been following me, if you've watched a couple of my other lives, I had a really, really good in-class session with a bunch of women that wanted some information on the Facebook platform. So it's all about Facebook. It's called Facebook Tools, Tips, and Tricks. It's about the Facebook algorithm. It goes over how to find your ideal client, to make sure you're not trying to sell stuff to like your friends and family all over your timeline, to make sure you get a targeted friends list. There's a bunch of stuff, you guys, in this course. So I've turned it into a 2-day webinar. It's going to be April 9th and 10th. And I split it up over 2 days because the actual class setting was 2 hours. And we didn't get through all the content because there was so much dialogue, so much great questions and information that was given in this session. So I wanted to make sure that I only booked an hour for the meeting. And in case it goes over one day, that's fine each day. But I didn't want to have you guys on there for like 3 hours in one day. So it's going to be April 9th and 10th. And it is a $20 webinar. But let me tell y'all, I have bought some classes, some courses, some webinars, paid for this, and $20 is a lot of value within this $20 course. And the women that I actually did the classroom setting in, they are wanting Instagram and Pinterest. So watch out for that. That's coming down the line. Once I create this content for these classes, those will be courses as well. So thank you all for joining me. If you are interested in getting in on my webinar, my 2-day webinar for April 9th and 10th, I am going to get off of here and post the link. I thought I had it saved and was going to pin it as a pinned post or a pinned comment, but I didn't. So that's why I didn't do it. So anyway, thanks again for joining me, y'all. I hope to see you in the course, and I hope that I added some value for you today. All right. So everybody take care. Have a wonderful rest of your Monday, and I will see y'all later.